Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a super cozy and creamy zucchini soup. It's perfect to enjoy during these cold days. It's been really freezing. First, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Chop up your potatoes and garlic. Season it with thyme, salt, oregano and paprika. For this recipe you will need about 2 potatoes per person. Toss them with a little olive oil. Pop them in the oven and roast for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, when the potatoes are a little bit softer, you can add the zucchini and onions to the pan. 1 zucchini and 1 onion per person should be enough. You can put more aromatics in if you like. Roasting everything instead of just cooking it in a pot brings out so much more flavor. Plus, it's mostly unattended time, so you don't have to watch the pot. You can just put it in the oven and forget about it. Pop everything back into the oven for 20 more minutes. Now it's time to blend everything to make the soup. Pop everything into a blender. Can't have too much garlic. Once that's done, grab your hot broth and pour it over the roasted veggies. Then you want to blend everything until it's nice and smooth. You can use a big blender like this, or you can use a stick blender. If you want to make the soup a little bit thinner, just add more broth. But we like our soup very thick. Once you blended everything, you can reheat the soup if you like. But you don't need to if you use some really hot broth. And now you can enjoy the soup. It's really creamy, fresh, hearty. So what do you think? Bye bye!